Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I am super excited to introduce you to something that has completely revolutionized my wellness journey, the latest medicinal garden kit. Now, if you're anything like me, you're constantly looking for natural ways to enhance your well-being. And let me tell you, this kit has been an absolute game changer. Inside this box, you'll find everything you need to start your very own medicinal garden right at home. From soothing lavender to revitalizing peppermint, the possibilities are endless. Setting up the garden is a breeze, even for someone like me who doesn't exactly have a green thumb. Plus, it's compact enough to fit in any space, whether you're in a cozy apartment or a spacious backyard. One of my favorite things about this kit is the sense of satisfaction I get from growing my own herbs and using them in my daily routine. There's something incredibly rewarding about knowing exactly where your ingredients come from. And let's talk about the health benefits. From boosting your immune system to improving digestion, each herb in this kit serves a unique purpose in supporting your overall wellness. Not to mention, by growing your own herbs, you're also reducing your carbon footprint and minimizing waste. It's a win-win for both you and the planet. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, I highly recommend giving the Medicinal Garden Kit a try. It's truly transformed my wellness routine, and I have no doubt it'll do the same for you. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!